Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color, red color. The alphabets of A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now you draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now you draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use brown color, brown color. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And again use brown color, brown color. Kids, now you draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, now you draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, now you draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. Kids, now you draw N. N for nest. The alphabets of N. And use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids, now draw P. P for parrot. The alphabets of P. And use green color, green color. P for parrot. Kids, again use green color and draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids, now draw R. R for rose. And use yellow color, yellow color. R for rose. Kids Nidra S. S for sun. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids Nidra T. T for teacher. The alphabets of T. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids Nidra U. U for umbrella. And again use brown color. Brown color. It's neither V. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use black color. Black color. W. W for wolf. And again use black color. Black color. It's neither X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use blue color. Blue color. It's neither Y. Y for yak. It's neither Z. Z for zebra. And again use blue color. Blue color. It's neither numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. Red color. O-N-E 1. It's again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. It's neither 3. The numbers of 3. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. Kids neither 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids neither 9. The numbers of 9. And use black color. Black color. Kids last draw 10. And again use black color. Black color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.